have the same issue hear this. Emily asked a very good question about submissions via Blackboard. Apparently the desktop version might look a little different than the mobile version, which doesn't surprise me at all. It's kind of the way things are. You don't have to write anything in when you submit stuff for me. You're going to be uploading a single document. So whatever context box or dialog box it gives you for submissions, you can leave that blank and just look for the browse my thing icon.
Well, the thing is I can't browse on the iPad.
Oh.
I'll show you how to do that.
Really?
I'm an HP rep. We deal with iPads.
What's your slogan, Coach? Your slogan? I'll sing it. Boom. The slogan is boom. It's working.
Okay.
I don't know.
200 million, something or other.
Oh, like mobile print.
Hey, I'm down. Dude, it's all good. But it sounds like we can make a connection here and figure this out. That's
Yeah.
great.
Is it okay if you do write your answers in the text box?
Oh. Is that what you did?
Yeah.
I guess we'll make it okay for this one.
Okay.
But let's not do that in general because then it might send it to 2 different places for me to find and then I won't find it because I'm me.
Okay.
I need them all in one place. That's why when you guys used to hand stuff in, they were on my desk in a pile. Instead of 2 piles, or a pile here and a pile in my office. So
I just saw it.
Can you do me a favor? Shoot me an email.
Okay, I can just send, I do have one that I can just
That's cool too. You can just email me as attachment and your hard copy and I'll deal with that and grade it.
Okay.
But just send me an email as well to make sure that video doesn't mention that. It doesn't mention not to do that because the video, I sent you guys a note last night. I was going to make you a video about how to submit the assessments. And I ran out of time because I was uploading yesterday's class videos and YouTube takes like 6, 7, 8 hours to upload the videos, which is okay. I just can't get another video shoved in there. And I was going to make a custom video saying don't use any of these boxes except for that button right there. So just shoot me an email. I'll get that video made over the weekend and then hopefully we'll have this up and pass. We'll all grow together. Tell me your name again.
Andrea.
Andrea. And tell me your name one more time. Scott, that's right. Scott, Andrea, Emily, Davidson.
I was going to say, can I send you my hard copy because I had a problem in another class where they didn't want you to use the browse button, so I copy and pasted it.
Totally. Please do that. So let's just make it. Let's make this an easy for everybody. If anybody, if you simply uploaded the document to me and it came in and then it said success, then we're good to go. If you tried to copy and paste text and do it that way, chances are I won't know how to find that. So just send me a hard copy.
Mine, so I went and looked at the view grades and it said submit it. So
Correct, but submitted where is my question. Did it go to the folder? I don't know the answer. It might be the same place.
Okay.
I haven't looked at that grading. I'm going to look starting today and tomorrow. Please, if anybody did do anything other than just upload, just shoot me an email with your quiz attached. I'll deal with it. I'll make a better video, a more like specific video for my class. I think Barbara did a great job with that video if you guys watched it, but it's very general. Like I want to have my link on there and don't use like this crap except for this button right here kind of thing. Yeah, Tim.
So normally what I do to go find the schedules, I go to COCC, type in your name, find you. But I couldn't find you on the COCC website. I had to Google you, and then I found you that way.
Oh,
So
he's
I don't
under
know.
rule.
It's under,
Well, that's
He's-
now, Terry,
he's
this
right
is,
there.
you know, it's funny, and if Ron Paradis, head of college relations, is watching this, what is so funny, what you just described, he always makes fun of me because he's head of college relations. His job is to track stats on the website. That's one of his jobs. And he says, he finds it so funny, I'm always in the top 10 searches on the website, assuming students are doing this to find me, I'm guessing, right? So you type Sean Rule in here,
Yeah, it's in the idea that I thought you were there this time.
waiting.
Yeah, I tried to do that.
It's looking for me, literally looking for me right now. There's a dude leaving campus safety right now looking for me. We're waiting for him.
press the plus button and go to campus directory.
Press the plus button. Well, no, but this is how most of my students used to find me, was this way. So here's an easy thing. Rather than doing that, just, you know my name, right? Just type srule out, just erase this and type srule. And then eventually it'll connect and be there.
It's weird because it worked all at once.
It worked up until this term, I think. And for some reason it just stopped working after that. I don't know what they changed something, and obviously it's not loading right now. So they changed something.
Didn't know it.
That was a joke. How long have you been working here? Well, up until this morning, 11 years.
Like the office space.
Go back and change go back to get my, he doesn't work. Where's my stapler? So anyway, as far as the Blackboard stuff goes, if it worked for you, fantastic. If it uploaded, that's what I wanted you to do. If you copied and pasted, just send me a hard copy via email. We'll get it all in the Excel grade book. I'll get a project report out to you guys. I'll make a better video to explain how I want you to upload stuff, and we'll call it a day that way. Sound good? We're learning this together, because I don't know crap about Blackboard yet. I mean, like I said, I'm as much as, I know less about it than you do, because you've actually used it before, and I haven't. So, and that's why, the only reason I say that, I want to make sure, Andrea, right?
Yes.
I want to make sure your stuff didn't go one place that I'll never see.
I think that is actually like
when you upload something,
Yes.
you can leave a comment on that. Like,
You can.
And so I think it attaches together, so it should show up in the same
It should show up, I hope it does.
I think it does.
That would be good, because then if anything happens down the road when you forget we had this discussion, I'll still get your stuff.
Right.
Right? And I say you, I mean. So I'm hoping that's the case. I know there's a comment you can leave, I just don't know if it looks like email, where the comment is a subject line, or if the
Yeah.
comment becomes part of the document. I have no idea.
Okay, yeah, that-
So we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll learn together, we'll figure this out. I don't want you guys worrying about how to get assessments into me though. That's not what the course is all about. The course is all about learning how to understand your world better. But I understand you're students and you want to get your grades in. I totally get that. You want to pass, obviously, which you all will. You're not going to pass, Aaron? Okay, everybody except Aaron's going to pass. So anyway, welcome back. Quiz got in okay. I am going to make more quizzes for you guys today. I had a great idea on the way up the hill this morning about one of them. I'm going to have at least 2 or 3 next week. I'm probably going to have 3. Again, do you have to do all 3?
No.
No. Matter of fact, you might not have time to do all 3. That's one of the options of having 3 of them is you can pick like, okay, I like this one the most. Let's forget these 2. One's going to be a primer quiz on a little bit of math. You know, you don't need much math in this course. You need a little bit, but not much. Like I mentioned equation in 105 today, and students kind of like, "Ugh." And I was like, okay, but look at the equation you have to solve. I'm like, oh, that's not so bad. Just like you guys, like I can totally handle that. That's the kind of math we'll do. So I'll have a quiz on that. Very, very bare bones and boring. A quiz on a Gallup poll that I thought I should look up today. I have an older Gallup poll in today's presentation, but I got a more current one that I didn't have time to add into this presentation, so I'll make a quiz out of it. And the third was just a terminology quiz. You're gonna pick up some terms today. So we'll have all those 3. Do as many or as few as you want, and we'll have each week will be like that. Just keep adding at least 2 quizzes a week. You guys pick and choose the ones you want to do. Submit.